Here I have some Russian dry fish. This is not something expensive, just plain simple dry fish. It's nothing fancy, just simple dry. This is the brand. They also make the red caviar. This Borisik. I think Borisik. It's a funny name. They have a website also. Krasnikra. Ikra is fish eggs. Caviar. It's not the first time I eat them. I know how they are. They're very salty, but also tasty at the same time. They're very nice with some refreshing soda or even water. Just drink it with water. Eat it with water. So let's open it. I cleaned it before. I cleaned the blade before. Oh, smell. Strong smell. They really are a bit smelly. When I don't eat them, I will keep them sealed tight. Okay, so this is the fish. Looks a bit suspicious. They're dry, they're not oily. Maybe a little bit, but I'm not sure which kind of fish this one is. But it has the teeth. And the most interesting thing, some of them, they will have the eggs, the roe, fishing roe. For example, this one, you see it has the roe inside there. It's really dry. They look a bit not so pleasing to see, I guess. But it's interesting to try them. You will find actually this kind of fish. I don't think it's just the Russians who eat this. I think the northern countries, they also eat this kind of fish. It's dry, air dry fish basically. Nothing fancy about it, but they are really tasty. Okay, I'll try this one. Okay, so how you eat it? I don't know how you're supposed to eat it. I just bite it. You can break it or cut it. Oh, inside there is a lot of fish fat, so which is really good actually. Inside you find a lot of the fish fat, and you see the roe there. You can eat it just like this. I'll try to open it to show you. That's the fish roe. Is it there? This is really amazing. Dried fish roll. The eggs. The bones, you can eat them as they are. And you see here is the that's the fish roll. Everything is eatable, including the tail. And the head. This is really some kind of delicacy. It's not good to eat too much of it because of the salt. It's really salty. But actually no, this one not so salty. That's not so bad. They are fresh. There is a lot of good fish fat in there. Yeah, just eat them as they are. It's good to seal the box so it doesn't. It's good to seal the box so it doesn't smell too much. Another one with the fish roll. This one is even softer. Wow. That's fish roll. Fish eggs. Eggs from the fish. You can see the shape of them. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah.